Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be learning how to make a paper sculpture. And so you're going to start with your paper and you're going to put your name on it. So you can use a marker or a pencil to put your name on what will become the bottom of your paper or your sculpture. And write your class code. If you're in Mrs. Rogers' class, you'll write an R. If you're in Mrs. Paskett's class, you'll write a P. And if you're in Mrs. Baker's class, you'll write a B. Mrs. Cook's class, you'll write a C. And just put a circle around it so we know which class you are in. Then flip it over because you don't want to glue things on top of your name. And there's going to be some paper strips that you can choose from. And these are flat right now, but we're going to talk about how to make them three-dimensional. And three-dimensional means that it's not flat. So sculptures are three-dimensional. We are going to glue some paper strips. The first thing you want to do is learn how to fold the end so it creates a little foot on your paper strip. So you want this little foot on here, and then you can create another foot on the other side. So you've got 2 feet like this, and he can walk around. But we're going to glue those feet down. So you'll get your glue bottle, listen for your sniffy puppy after it's open, and all you need is a single dot of glue. And then you're going to figure out where you want to glue your foot and hold it there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you pressed it and you held that 1 dot of glue down for 10 seconds, it should stay where you want it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it will stay. It may not stay if you try to pick up your sculpture, so be gentle with it. But they should stay where you put them. So that is one way to get your paper to pop off of the page so it's not flat anymore. I also want to show you how to make a spiral. So you will find something small and round, like a marker or a pencil or a pen or a color pencil, and you're going to try wrapping the paper around the marker or pencil. And you want to make sure that you hold it, because if you let go, it's going to peel away. So you have to press it and hold it as you're rolling the marker or pencil towards the end of the paper. And then once it's all wrapped around, and it doesn't have to be perfectly straight, it'll still curl even if it's not straight, then you can let go. And you should have a curly little noodle like that. And you could glue this onto your paper. You could glue it this way, but it's got a really skinny edge, so it's not going to stay as well. So I'm going to make a little foot here, just like we did on the other piece. And I'm going to put how many dots of glue? Just 1. And I'm actually going to put this on top of my other piece. So I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it should stay. So if I was to pick my sculpture up, it's got a little curlicue on top. And you can put your paper strips wherever you want. You can even cut them if you want them to be skinnier. So maybe I want to make this one a skinnier noodle. I'm going to cut to make a real skinny one, and then I can twist it. You can twist it in the air like this, or if it's easier for you, you can roll it on the table, whichever one works for you. And I have my curly noodle. And you can even wrap them around your finger too, if your fingers are nice and small. Okay. And I'm going to glue this one over here. Make a little foot. And I'm going to glue how many dots? Just one. And I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so give that a try, boys and girls. Try gluing a few strips, try the spiral, and I'll have something new for you to try in the next video.